Okay, my neighbor got a lawnmower. Oh man, it's a really nice lawnmower here. Look at that nice lawnmower. We're gonna get in there. Pull it out. Here you go. So this lawnmower got a drive system. Yes, it does.
No gas.
Huh?
No,
Okay, there you go, everybody. This is what model is this lawnmower? It's the I don't know what it is, but the lawnmower, you're gonna go ahead and put it together. So I'm gonna stop it here. Okay, go ahead and put the handle on. I guess it goes like this. Yeah, go inside. So you go like this, open it up. Okay. And this goes in here like that. Show you how these look. Okay, so you go in like this. You got some gas. Okay. Alrighty. So we got this here. Right here, I think it goes. We go on there like that. I think this goes like this. I should have been paying attention. Okay. All right, so got the oil. Bring it over here. Toro oil. Okay, I'm stop. We're gonna put the oil in there on the gasoline. We're gonna do a test cut. Okay, we're pouring some oil in there, and then we got enough. Pour a little bit more in there. Okay. We have to check it, let it settle down. I'm gonna stop it here. Okay, we're putting the little ends on the bag here. Let's see, it goes over like this and like that, like that. At the bottom comes. You're gonna cut that box up? Ooh, let me take a picture of the model number. So before you do that. Oh, you can do it like that, yeah. Okay, like this and like that. I'm gonna show them the model number on it. It's kind of hard doing it on camera here. I don't know why. There you go. Okay, there we go. Now we finna. There's the handle Toro. A brand new shiny lawnmower here, and it just kind of go come in like this. And let's see how they go. They go like this. Okay, go like that. Like that. Okay. So now I'm gonna show this is the model number right there. Okay, we're gonna do a test cut and do the next cut. So here's the moment of truth. Brand new lawnmower. Oh wow, that's cool. Probably low, but it did pretty good though. Yeah, but that's good though. He had the wheels a little too low. You gonna adjust the wheels, sir? You probably gotta adjust it according to the job, don't you?
Yeah, I try to keep it on about 3 though.
Okay, so you want this one on 3 too? You got the one over here. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, you got that one. Okay. Oh, that's pretty easy though. Okay, so it go like this. Okay, I guess that's the new lawnmower thing. Okay, you gonna do another test cut or what? Okay, you gonna do another.